Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the new phone number is active on the target carrier and that you control the account PIN. This prevents lockouts. Once done, power off the device and remove the current SIM using the Eject tool or Slot tab. Make sure the replacement SIM matches the tray size. If it doesn't, use an adapter or request the correct form factor from your carrier. Backups matter. Export contacts so you don't lose anything during the switch. With the device off, align the SIM's cut corner into the tray and gently insert it. Improper placement can damage the card or tray. Power on the phone and watch for the carrier's activation screen, or SMS. Follow prompts to accept terms and enter the account PIN. Make sure mobile data and APN settings update. If they don't, open settings to adjust APN manually. You'll know it worked when you see the carrier name and signal bars appear. Once active, place a test call and send a text, then browse to confirm data access. This proves the number is fully assigned to your SIM. If there's no service, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or power down and reset the SIM. Simple resets clear many issues. If problems persist, contact your carrier and provide the IMEI and account PIN so they can push provisioning or rebuild the SIM profile. This resolves most remaining activation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.